Sometimes it seems that no matter how hard you try, everything goes wrong and nothing turns out right. And that's how many people feel these days in the world, like we've lost control of things. Everybody's shouting and nobody's listening. And the world is on fire. Bombs are dropping, people are dying. It's absolutely insane. For the last 2 days, I've been trying to get some work done here on the retreat. But no matter how hard I try, nothing turns out right. This morning, I was trying to work on the sawmill, making cedar shingles for the roof. And then the jig broke, even though I did my best to strengthen it. So when things are like that in the world, and nothing goes your way, the most important thing is to learn to accept the things that you cannot change. And although we need to accept the things we can't change, we also need to change the things that we can to make the world a better place to the best of our ability. But a lot depends on our karma. And if the karma isn't there, then no matter how hard we try, we're not going to be able to accomplish our goal. It's like that, right? Some people are very diligent, very intelligent. They struggle and strive all their lives, but they never seem to get anywhere. Whereas others are lazy and are just born into wealth and luxury. In a random world, then it seems like things aren't fair. But if you believe in karma, then you will be grateful for whatever you have. You will appreciate whatever benefits you achieve in the world. And also, you'll learn to accept the hardships. But remember, everything is impermanent. And even the mountains will crumble to the sea. The ocean itself will one day run dry. At some time, even the sun in the sky will cease to shine. But in the meantime, we can do our best to have tolerance and patience for others and for our hardships. To express our love and have compassion for those who are less fortunate than ourselves. To be humble, not to become arrogant or proud. Be easily satisfied and of few desires. In the end, this is our best recipe for success and happiness in the world. So even though today nothing's going right for me here at the Hermitage, then at least I've been able to share a few of my thoughts with you in the hopes that will help you to find greater peace of mind and happiness in the world. Right. I'm going to make one more attempt. If this time I don't succeed, then I'm just going to give up and go home and have a rest. See you later.